Hi everybody, this is Samson. I'm going to set off my prototype for the EDI Task A project for the tender report and the prototype build. My build is propelled by a rubber band system, so I've got my rubber band there attached at the bottom. I've got my 1 kilo of sugar. I know the project specifies a kilo of rice, but I thought this would suffice. So I've got 1 kilo of sugar, and the deployment zone, which is just here. This is my starting point. That's 0 to depict where it's starting from. I've got marked points. That's at 2 meters. That's at 4 meters. That's another one at 6, another one at 8, all the way until we get to the end of the track, which is here, this last one at 16 meters. So we'll see how far this is going to go, and we're going to launch from the starting zone to see how the device travels with the 1 kilo payload. Thank you. So now we start setting the device off. So as you see, that's the rubber band system there. I've got a pulley at the bottom which is loaded now with the length of the rubber band stretched back so that it can launch the device. I've got a good size pulley there so that it will give me enough torque to drive this device. So it's all wound in the opposite direction of the motion, so that when it sets off, it gives the device some motion to go forward. So I'm going to set it up and launch it now. So here we go. This is my starting point. That's at 0, so the front of it is behind the line. I've got my 1 kilo of sugar on the device, fairly close to the front so that it doesn't load up the traction wheels too much. So here we go. So that's launch 1. So this has gone now. That's 2 meters. That's 4 meters. That's just short of 6 meters. So I'm going to use a tape measure so that I can measure the actual distance for how far this one has gone from the starting point. I'm going to keep my video running. So if it gets too shaky, please don't get too dizzy. Okay. Okay, so there is my tape measure running from the start point. And put it right at the start point. So that's the 0 mark, and we're running all the way up to here. So my device has gone slightly off track, and just from where it is now, if we can line it up this way, so that's to the side, and this reads about so that's 5.6, so 5. Okay, so this is take 2 of launching the device to see how much it travels. Here we go. Starting from the 0 point, there's the 0 mark. Okay, away we go. Okay, so this time it's gone further than the 6 meters, and halfway between 8 and 6, so about 7 meters. We'll do a measurement. Okay, take 3. That's the starting point. Here we go, our 1 kilo payload, and bones away. Okay, similar distance. That's 6 meters. That's 8 meters. And that is sitting pretty much between 6 and 8 meters.